The day my life changed in a grocery store. It started as a regular Tuesday. You know, one of those days where your socks don't match, your phone battery is at 3%, and for some reason, your reflection in the mirror looks like it's already given up on you. I walked into a grocery store to buy bread. Just bread. That was the mission. But life had other plans. As I reached for the cheapest loaf, because saving money is my toxic trait, I noticed a little girl staring at the same bread. She was maybe 6, wearing a pink hoodie with a cartoon bunny and mismatched shoes. Her mom wasn't around. Now a normal person would probably just smile and move on. But not me. My brain said, you should talk to her. My anxiety said, please don't. And my mouth, it said, hi there, you like bread? She nodded, then said, but we can't buy it today. Mama said we have to wait until Friday. My stomach dropped. Suddenly, bread wasn't just bread anymore. It was a symbol, a reminder that life isn't equal. So I did what any emotionally unstable adult would do. I bought 2 loaves and handed her one like I was in some kind of movie. She smiled, the kind of smile that hits you right in the soul. But then, her mom showed up, and guess what? I got yelled at. Yep. She thought I was trying to trick her daughter or something. I tried to explain, but the damage was done. I left the bread on the shelf and walked out empty-handed. On the way home, I felt a mix of emotions, embarrassed, confused, hungry. Mostly, I kept thinking about that smile, that pure, honest smile. It made me realize something strange in my life. Sometimes, when we try to people misunderstand, we get hurt, we start to doubt ourselves. That doesn't mean we should stop being human. It's not about making it better. It's about making others feel not always, sometimes what the heck is happening funny. But every awkward teaches us something. Like how buying bread can teach you how to be patient, how getting yelled at teaches you and how a tiny act of kindness, even one that you don't understand, can change someone's whole day. So keep being kind, even if it won't last long, even if you walk into the grocery store and sometimes the best stories come from days we least expect them. Hey, next time.